What's up, guys? And we're gonna be throwing paper airplanes. Yeah, I made some really good ones. Like, it's the Scyther, like always, and it's really good.
There's a new guest, okay?
Also, there's a new guest. It's Taya,
Hi!
and she's gonna be with us today.
I got one of those paper airplanes. And wherever it goes, and if it goes really up to the roof, it will be hard to get, but it'll flip that. It'll slip down.
Well, that thing. Well, we just got lucky right there.
Yeah, I just took my hair out.
So, yes.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Garcia.
All right. Scyther number 1. Yay! Oh. Hold up. Oh yeah, I forgot the other one got stuck in here. I don't even know where it went. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Pew! Oh! Oh! Pew! Oh, looky loop. Hope you guys can see me. I can't see it because of the reflection, but
Fun.
okay, yeah.
I'm okay. Oh, my Barbie is just a front flip. You
Oh,
want to see my Barbie do that again? If you want to see my Barbie do that again?
okay, I guess so. Ow. Oh,
Look at
what?
this.
Oh, great. I have to go get it.
Hi, Nathan. Hi, Nathan's friend. You want to see my Barbie? Do a back?
I
Do
don't
a
know where it
front flip? Okay, you do? Okay. Three, two, one. Do you like that? You did? Okay. Ah, my Barbie broke its leg. Are you okay, Barbie? Just my leg hurt. Oh, okay. I think you just got a broken bone. You can just lay right here. No, don't go down.
All right, that was crazy. I'll make a part 2 soon. This is gonna be just the first part. I have Arrowhead, a jet plane, and another jet plane. So this is part 1. See you guys back in part 2.